Goes on really nicely. Unlike some other stuff where you have to kind of keep applying it and it's like it doesn't soak in. Wow, I hope it stays looking like that. It is a beautiful Sunday, and I'm recovering from a nasty sinus infection, so I apologize if my voice sounds weird. But months ago, I ordered this Frame Pro Trim Coat Drive and Protect stuff from Ammo NYC, and I wanted to use it on my Jeep Wrangler 2014, which nothing works on these black bumpers. That's supposed to be black, but as you can see, it's pretty much the same color as the billet silver paint. And this stuff looks like it's kind of toxic. They tell you to wear gloves, do it in a well-ventilated area, trying to get out on the actual paint. So I went ahead and I taped off all the areas that I'm going to attempt to touch up just with some painter's tape. And I'll do a before and after, and then we'll also see how long this stuff actually lasts. I'm curious to see if it lasts as long as he says it does. Good Sunday project. Funny story about Ammo NYC. He actually called my shop a couple years ago inquiring about radar detectors for a mutual client. And as a small business owner, sometimes you get so bogged down in the day-to-day details that you forget to look up every once in a while. And it totally didn't register to me who I was talking to. I was just thinking, okay, this is another dealership that's looking for, wholesale pricing on radar detectors. Let me just take care of this call and get on with all the other things I have to do. I kind of made, I think, a fool of myself, because he's kind of like, do you know who I am? Do you watch the show? Do you subscribe? And I was like, I think my husband does, because it was kind of coming to me who he might be. But anyways, it is really good stuff. It's designed well and packaged well, and he does a great job. But just kind of a funny side story. Totally blew any opportunity to network. Oh well. Next time. To prep, I did wash, clay, and wax my car, but there's a couple of areas that are still a little wet here, and it does have to be perfectly dry. I don't have compressed air here at the house, but John reminded me, I do have this awesome Dyson hairdryer, which I never use. So I'm gonna leave this in the garage, and we're gonna put this to good use today. I think that worked really well. Time to get some gloves on. Definitely smells pretty toxic. And guys, I am not coordinated, so I apologize if this footage looks weird, but I'm trying to apply it while recording at the same time. Goes on really nicely. Unlike some other stuff where you have to kind of keep applying it and it's like it doesn't soak in, this is really soaking in nicely. Wow, I hope it stays looking like that. I got enough towelettes. Haven't even opened this thing up yet. Wow. making sure that I got it all evenly applied on this side before I move on. That looks good. So I was able to use the rest of that towelette to do the other side, but I really had to stretch it out, and I just found it difficult to try and record and do that at the same time, so I had to pause that. But one towelette did both sides of that front bumper. I'm guessing I'm gonna need 3 total, because I still gotta do this part, those tittle guys, door handle, and then the back bumper. I shall continue. That second towelette was enough to do this whole piece of trim, as well as these 2 pieces of trim on the hood, both handles, and the mirrors, plus the gas cap. So now I've just got the back bumper area to do. Huge difference.
Very nice. Keep it for another 30 years.
Yep. Oh no! Oh no. I gotta get in there. Other than getting some painter's tape stuck in there and not being able to get it out because we don't have any tools at the house other than wire ties and bobby pins, I'd say this was a great experience. Stuff works phenomenal. I was looking for more stuff to apply it to because it works so well. It's very easy to apply, and a little goes a long way. So far, I would say this is the best black plastic restoration product I've ever tried on my Jeep or any vehicle, really. We'll see how long it lasts. Most of the stuff I've tried in the past will last a couple days. So I'll give this a week and add a clip at the end, so we'll see what it looks like. Hey everyone, it's been about 3 weeks since I applied the Ammo Frame Pro Trim Coat, and I want to show you the results. Now we've had some rain, we've had a lot of pollen. I just washed my car just 2 days ago through the car wash, and I just did a quick kind of wipe down on the bumper so you can see how well this product has been holding up. So far, I've been really happy with it. You know, when I used to do my Honda Element, which had a ton of black plastic on it, the product I was using, the black again, you know, it would look good for a couple days or until it rained, you know, and this stuff, it almost acts like a sealant. Like the way the water was pooling on top of it, it's almost like you would see when you put a really good wax on your paint. So I was really impressed with how well this product is holding up. And I think it would be great for, you know, not only the Jeep Wranglers, but if you've got like a Nissan Xterra or like my Honda Element that we used to have, any vehicle with a lot of black plastic trim, this stuff will work wonders for you. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Have you tried this? What do you think? Is there something better out there that I should know about? Love to hear your feedback. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.